Have you ever wondered how your smartphone camera works? It's more than just a point-and-shoot device. This intricate lens in your pocket is a miniaturized version of a traditional camera. The lens is the heart of the camera, channeling light onto the image sensor. It's like a sophisticated light funnel, focusing beams of light to create a vibrant image. So, the lens plays a crucial role in capturing photos. But what happens after the light passes through the lens? Once the light has passed through the lens, it falls onto a remarkable component, the image sensor. This sensor is a bit of a wizard, converting light into an electric signal. Pixels, tiny squares on the sensor, play a crucial part in this magic. Each pixel captures a snippet of the scene, and the more pixels there are, the sharper the detail. So the image sensor does a fantastic job of converting light into an electric signal. But how does this signal become a photo? Now that we have our electric signal, the real wizardry begins with image processing. This is where the smartphone's processor steps in, turning the electrical signal into an image. But it doesn't stop there. The software algorithms then take over, working their magic to enhance the image. They adjust the colors, making them vibrant and true to life. They tweak the contrast, defining the shadows and highlights. They sharpen the image, bringing out every detail. So image processing turns our electric signal into a beautiful photo. So from light to a beautiful photo, your smartphone camera is a marvel of modern technology. It starts with the lens focusing light onto the image sensor. This sensor, a true marvel, converts light into an electrical signal. The final step is image processing, where this signal is transformed into a picture. All these steps, complex yet seamless, occur in a blink of an eye. Next time you snap a photo with your smartphone, remember the intricate process that happens in just a fraction of a second.